Today, we're digging into an AI tool that might just revolutionize student admissions.
Okay, so picture this. Your school gets over 5,000 applications. 5,000. So how on earth do you fairly pick the top 50 from that huge pile?
Well, the old manual way is slow, inconsistent, and honestly, it just overwhelms the staff. And that's where Seed comes in. It's an AI tool built to fix this. So here's how it works. It's a 5-step process, from taking in applications to creating reports.
But the big question is, how does this AI actually keep things fair? Let's see.
It all starts with a rubric. Basically, it's a consistent scoring guide for everyone. The key is that this takes out the guesswork. No more bias between different reviewers. Then it uses what's called evidence-based justification. It's all about data backing up every choice.
And check this out. You can see exactly why a student got the score they did.
So there's no mystery anymore. The reason for every decision is right there in black and white. All right, let's put them side by side. The old way versus SEAT. The difference is huge. And the biggest change? The time. We're talking about going from weeks down to days. So what's the big picture? It's faster, fairer, and it frees up teachers for interviews. And that last point is crucial. It lets teachers focus on what they do best, interviewing. So it's not just about speed. It's about turning a paper mountain into a clear path. Which leaves us with one big question. Is this what the future of fair opportunity looks like?